Sub chat. Sorry, my voice isn't fully back yet from being sick, but it's coming, you know, it's coming back. All right, maybe that's a little bit better. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a good New Year's, you know what I mean? 2026, let's fucking go. Gonna be a good year for this channel, I'm hoping. So a lot of good projects coming up, a lot of good ideas, so looking forward to it. Okay, so the main objective, sorry, the main objective is going to be to finish off this this RPG, and there's a couple of things. Really, the main thing, I think, honestly. Sorry. The main thing, I think, honestly, is we just need to get it to like a workable state to where like someone could just like play it, you know? So that means like no more like just enemies. Like we want it to be like the enemy parties. I want them to be like, you know, parties of like mage, warrior. I mean, you know, the classes that we've already kind of defined. And then also, I wanted to see maybe if we could add like a timed thing, so that way like all the messages like kind of appear like 1 second at a time. Maybe, I don't know if that's like an amazing idea or not, but we can maybe do that, and then honestly we could call it a wrap right there. Honestly, like I feel like that's really it. That's really it. Like we've kind of fixed all the bugs we wanted to do, all the refactoring, and if we ever want to refactor it in the future, obviously we can revisit it, but I'm ready to move on. All right, I'm ready to move on from this fucking project. So we're gonna. Okay, so I guess maybe the first thing I'd want to tackle probably is the whole timing thing. Although that is kind of a little difficult. Well, maybe not. Like maybe we could just like do like a certain like. No, it's probably not that difficult, honestly. Because we would only do it for like a couple of things. So what would be like the method or like the library that we would need for that? Where like a timing kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? Some shit like that. I feel like there's definitely like a library for it, but I just can't think of it. What is it? It's like C time or some shit, right? But can we use that for this? I feel like maybe. Yeah, like a timer kind of function, kind of thing. You know what I mean? Is it just C time? Oh, chrono. We've I feel like we've dabbled in this a little bit. I don't really remember when or how, but we did. So we could probably just do that again. Honestly. So yeah, chrono. That's probably what it is. This is interesting. Oh me, what's going on? I hate when my stream lags at the very beginning. All right, yeah. So chrono. That's what we would need to do. So very simple, very simple. So I was thinking of doing it in combat. What just happened? Oh, I was wondering what that was. Okay. Yeah, so I was thinking of doing it in combat, like especially with like for instance, like if I just go over the game really quickly. Make sure that it's made first actually. Are we in the main branch? I feel like probably not. Probably not. If not, it's fine. We could just fucking change out of it, obviously, but. Damn. This sickness, bro. Okay. Run that. Yeah, so this is fine. This can all be like instantaneous. That doesn't matter. But the whole like fight thing, I feel like I want that to be like timed, if that makes sense. Like, you know, we do all these moves, and I want this to be like enemy 1 lost this amount of HP. You know what I mean? Well, I don't know. That might be kind of stupid. You know what? Fuck it. We just won't even do that. Because I feel like the way that we have it implemented, like I would want it to be where like it says like so and so casted this, and then it shows like who was affected by it. You know what I mean? I feel like that would make more sense. But the way that we implemented it is kind of weird. Like I don't want to really refactor that right now. So we just won't. Yeah, we just won't. Okay, that's fine. So cancel that. Get out of that really quick. Oh shit. Early stream lag. Sorry about that. Don't even have a CD player, gang? Come on now. I don't have a CD player either. I mean, I have like one in my car because my car is like pretty old, but that's about it. So even though I do actually have CDs, so I feel you, bro. Okay. So we'll go to the game loop and we'll just kind of change how we do this. Oh yeah, I wanted to do it where like, well, maybe we could have it like be predefined, possibly. Yeah, maybe. We could maybe have some kind of like randomizer. Well, no, that's kind of weird though. No, I'm not really fucking with that. I don't know what to name them. Or like how we could like do the whole naming technique. Or I mean, I guess we could make like a list of possible names. And then just like, so have some kind of function like randomly select from that kind of like list of different names that they could be, and kind of go from there. So yeah, by the end of the stream, the enemy class should not exist. That's kind of the goal. Because I think that's a little bit better. Create enemy party. Yeah, I mean, honestly, we might want to make it random though, low-key. Yeah, I'd actually rather it be random. Because, I mean, you know, create a new party. And we run this in the constructor, right? Yeah. Yeah. We can do that, I guess. Fuck it. Where did we do that earlier? We did that somewhere else, didn't we? We did like some kind of randomizing. I think it's in game, yeah? No, it's in main. It's in main. No, wait, it's not in main. Where do we do that at? Combat. We do it in combat. Just wanna make sure I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, ever, but all good, all good. In battle. Process turn, perform action. Yeah, okay, so get enemy skill. This one's like the random. This one like produces like the randomness. Generate choice randomly. Yeah, and honestly, we'll just have the classes be generated randomly too, or at least for right now, just so we can call this thing finished. Honestly, we'll just have it kind of generate randomly, kind of in the same way that it would be here. What this gets us, I think. Yeah, this gets us like, right, okay, yeah, I think I know what this, yeah, I know what this is doing. We do another random, don't we, somewhere? Get enemy target or no? Base choice, size T, oh, static cast. Target size. I mean, honestly, if we could just get like a choice between like 100 and then like do like an if statement to check like where it's at, then we could just do something like that, I think. Or I mean, honestly, we could do this, but we could just do 4. Like, cause skill list size, yeah, probably just do that. I mean, fuck it, yeah, why not? But we need to make a new function for that. So go back to game. All right, let's go. Let's make sure we're in a good branch for this firstly. Oh, we're actually in main. That's okay. We'll just make a new branch. We'll do feature. Enemy classes. Yeah, enemy. No, not enemy. Enemy parties. Parties. Do that. Okay. Oh, that's not clear. Whatever. Fuck you. All right. So, dude, my voice. I did a lot of talking today, more than I usually do. So, it's probably from that. Okay. So we'll make some new functions. Well, the combat loop first off isn't even a thing anymore. So honestly, we probably need to go through this entire thing and like kind of clean up some stuff. I mean, we could do that later, I guess, but like still, it's on the agenda. Okay. We can do, let's see. I mean, obviously we need to get the, I don't know, I'm trying to think. How do we get that? Don't we like return like a skill or some shit? I mean, not that we need to. We need to be able to return a party, like a specific party. And then select like a specific, whatever the fuck. Yeah. So we need to return a string, which I know probably isn't great, but whatever. And I mean, it could be a reference to a string. It doesn't have to be this, but string, generate name. It's kind of what I'm thinking. That's kind of interesting though, actually, because it's like, I don't know. Whoa, why are you returning a string? I mean, I'll just return like a reference to a string, I guess. But I do need to return a string. I mean, unless we could, I don't know, because then the function's going to be way too fucking big though. Because like, I don't know, dude. Why? Because I want to get a random name for a random enemy. That's the meaning behind it. I mean, we could put all this functionality and create enemy party, but I feel like it'd be too much. Or I feel like it'd be like too big. I mean, maybe not. Like well, it's not really that big to begin with. So, what's up, IDK? How are you? How are you? 3SP. Don't worry. I know what you usually say, so I use context clues. Honestly, we might be able to just generate it here, honestly. I mean, because I mean, it's not big already, but it's like at the same time, I don't know. What's the string meaning? What does it represent? What's the string's meaning? Like, I mean, it just represents like the name, like for an enemy. Like it'll just, what I wanted to do was I wanted to create like, I don't know, like an array of like strings or some shit, and like have it randomly generate like one name from that list and then add it to the enemy, if that makes sense. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Hey, Happy New Year. What's up, Eric? Happy New Year to you as well. And hey, Snorlax. Snorlax is, I don't know if you guys saw Snorlax. I thought you were doing something cursed. Nah. Can you guys even see Snorlax? Homie's just chilling on my bed, bro. I don't have him up here anymore. He kept falling, so I was like, fuck it. I'm not even gonna do it no more, bro. Plus, we're getting a new plushie soon, so. I'm currently researching OBGL project structure. There are barely resources for that other than 11-year-old repos with. That's funny. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, brother. Snowlax is sleeping already. Yeah. Hey, he went crazy. He went fucking crazy on New Year's, bro. Don't even get me started. Okay, so yeah. We're gonna do those functions, honestly. I know we're returning a string. I know that's like probably not best practice, but honestly, bro, fuck it. Something about time. What's up, Sean? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Haven't seen you here in a minute. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. I know everyone's busy for like the holidays and shit. So, but yeah, hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you guys are all doing good. I'm doing good. Good hope for 2026. A lot of good ideas, a lot of ideas coming in for 2026. Snorlax is actually an awesome name for Winter Snorlax. That's actually true, bro. We should get I should get two Snorlaxes. Honestly, you could return you could return a string reference if all the strings are stored permanently in an object like the game. Yeah, I mean, I guess, well, I don't know. I don't know if I want it to be stored permanently. Well, I mean, I guess technically it would be, yeah, because we're creating. Yeah, I mean, I guess it would be. Yeah, it would be. Honestly, though, I'm thinking about just doing it in here because, like, I feel like this function is like not even like really all that big, so we could just like squeeze it in there really quick. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's probably a terrible idea. I ain't gonna lie. Probably a terrible idea, but you know. Const reference. Yeah, you're right. A const reference. Yeah, so but also we need to think about the what party it selects. But I guess we could just return shit. We're gonna have to return an object though, which is gonna be kind of weird. I don't want you to accidentally copy a bunch of strings, which is easy to accidentally do in a project like yours. Yeah, you're probably right. Honestly, yeah, we could just do a const reference for the string. And in regards to returning a party though, because we need to, well, no, we don't need to return a party. That's stupid. Sorry, I meant class. We need to return a class, like a specific class. Wait, no, we don't. Wait, do we? Wait, probably so, yeah. Probably so. Honestly, no, fuck it. Let's just do that shit here. We just do like a for loop, right? Generate like a random number out of 4, right? And then like select one of the classes, and then we could use that function, that same string function, to pull from a list of pre-made names, and then we could pass that in here. The level, I think, is, I mean, for the level, it's going to be the parameter, which is used up here. So, I mean, honestly, we might be okay. We might be set. Okay. How do we return a const string again? I think it's just const, or like, how do we do it up here? I think we just do it like this, right? It's like const, and just, yeah, pretty sure. Free bird, yeah. Because, I mean, it's going to live in the object. Like, it's going to be stored here, essentially, is what I was thinking. So, if that makes sense. Okay. Wait, where we do that? Const, right? Yeah, I think so. Const. String reference game. Generate name. Yeah, and I don't think we need any parameters for that. Const string, yeah. Okay, const string, generate name. Right. So, yeah, maybe game has an array of const. Yeah, we could do that. Control K and O is faster to change between header and so you don't have to always find the file. Oh shit, I just opened up my files. Wait, what? Control K? Oh? Yeah, no, that just opens up my fucking file explorer. Oh shit. Yeah. Maybe it's a different keybind. I would love to know that keybind though. I don't know. What's it called so I can like look it up? Excuse me guys, sorry. Still sickness, you know what I mean? Or maybe that only works in normal Visual Studio. Hey, we're gonna be switching over soon. We're gonna be switching over very soon. Honestly, after this project for sure. Because remember, the strings need to be stored somewhere for you to pass around the references. Yeah. They're gonna be stored in game, and the game object is always gonna be present during the game. So yeah, I see what you mean. Okay. And honestly, we'll just do this without using this. However long the list will be. So yeah, we would need to make a member, I guess. What do we do? Like, yeah, sc array const. Do we do array for that as well? Oh, you use the standard template library. I got you. Whatever the fuck. Is that actually in that? That ass? Oh, it is. I mean, we could do that. Fuck it. Yeah, why not? Fuck it. Does it have to be like this? It would be const, right? I think so, const. You can't just have them send a function, that won't work. Try alt, maybe that in Visual Studio. Alt O. Oh shit. Oh my god. Let's fucking go. Yo, that is so sick. I'm gonna use that all the time. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. It is alt O. Bro, that's so sick. Nice. Not capital A. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was wondering about that. Yeah, and then just do an array basically. Or wait, we need to name it, yeah? It'd have to be like names or possible names, I don't know, some shit like that, whatever. Can we not use const? Oh shit. What? Wait, did I do that wrong? Then type and number of elements. Honestly, I remember it's been so long since I've coded in C++. Doesn't use capital letters. String 5, for example. Oh, I gotta put the... Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. I can still put the name though, right? I think so. Odd. I mean, shit, maybe not. Variable name after. Oh, yeah, you're right. Duh. Brother, sorry. I'm still defrosting, bro. I had a coworker use that slang today. I was like, oh, that's kind of funny. Slang. This still doesn't look right. Oh, I guess it is. Don't use const, as you won't be able to modify it. Oh, well, I mean, do we want to modify it? I mean, I guess we could just do this, yeah. Okay. As far as possible names go, I feel like I don't know how many I'd want to do. Got you. Yeah, as far as possible names go, I don't know how many would be enough. Maybe like 20. I mean, we're still gonna get like the same ones probably every now and then. Okay, and then I'll just have ChatGPT generate me a random list of names. Make them gender neutral. Well, okay. Okay, actually, let's not do that. It could be girl or boy. Girl and boy, we'll do that. It matters since you only want references. Right. And bro, these are the fucking most ass names in the world, dude. What are we talking about? Bro. They're like too medieval, if that makes sense. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. You can only initialize in the constructor if it's a const. I can only initialize the list. Is that kind of what you mean? No, you can initialize in the constructor. Okay. Yeah. So this is all going to be changed too. But if we do possible names, gotcha. All right, what list do we have here? If you store const, then you can only exercise them in structure. Like, gotcha. I mean, I guess that's all we really need. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but we don't really need to do anything else with them, I don't think. I'm gonna copy this. Oh, that sucked. Trying to get the names. I should have just did this on a different fucking thing, bro. Whatever. It's Alex, Ryan. I mean, we could just do it ourselves. Fuck it. Alex, Ryan. Do Austin, because that's my name. We'll do Eric. I like that one. Do Plankton. Let's do that too. Do Night Owl. I'm just thinking of like people who like regularly come in my stream. Let's see. Sean. We could do Sean. Okay. We should also do some like girl names too, I guess, huh? Could do like Lyra. I think that's a name I've used before. Morgan. Do that. Do Harry. Terry. Dare I say Jerry? How many is that? 1, 2, 3. Wait, we could just do 27. Okay, so we have 11. So I guess we can only do 9 more. Gotta make them special. Do like Julia. That one's good. Do William. Shall name is strange because you don't use that's written with. Yeah, it is a strange name, isn't it? English. I mean, fuck. That's basically all of English. It's just things like that. Let's see. We could do like Sarah, Ava. That one's good. Ava. Okay, and then we'll do like Evan, something like that. How many is that now? Looks like we need 4 more. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, okay. I thought I counted that right. I was like, wait, what? Oh, yeah, so we need, what is it, 3 more? All right. So we can do Mark. Okay. Olivia. Good name. And then we can do Bob. I'm fucking with that. Do we need to add a semicolon right there? I guess so. Very cool. Very cool. All right. Yeah, so there's that. Can we get the size of this? Wait, nice, we can. That's good. Yeah, so that'll select a choice for us. And then I guess we don't need to store that in a thing, do we? No, we probably don't. We just return like a string. Or honestly, what if we just did like return possible names and then just use this to grab that to index it? I mean, shit. I think that works. I don't know, does that work? I feel like maybe. Function, hopefully it'll have networking and that, so we can have a function named transfer. Bro. Oh, let me open up my Gatorade. I got like a big pack of these Gatorades when I was sick. I bought way too many, so I'm trying to drink them all. Not a big fan of Gatorade. Yeah, I mean, I guess honestly that generates the name. You know, do we need this function? I feel like we don't need this function. Transfer. I don't understand the joke. I guess I'm just stupid. Yeah, I feel like we may not actually need this function. I mean, it's one fucking line. Like, it's one line. Like, I feel like we don't even really need this. Like, yeah. I mean, yeah. Because, shut the fuck up, Windows. What I was thinking is, like, what we could do is, don't use that randomization, by the way. Oh, don't use this? Why not? Does it not work? I feel like I used this for a different function. Wait, is that not the right? Wait a minute. What? Hold on, wait. I always have to look it up for this shit because I always like second guess myself when I try to write it. Just in case I cry. I mean, I guess we could just... It's non-uniform? Non-uniform. Well, I feel like we don't... I feel like it doesn't need to be this complex, though. We could just probably have it like this. Or, I mean, I looked it up, and we can do something like this instead, I guess, right? This would just get 0 between, between 0 and 19, I think, right? Or, yeah, I think so. I believe so. Right? Or no? Isn't it between 0 and... Oh, shit. So it won't distribute it evenly. Interesting. Use the standard algorithms instead? I haven't really used much of those, I'll be honest. Could we not just use this? Because really that randomization came from a different function that I used to use. Instead. Well, I mean, is it the same for this? That isn't... I don't know. I don't know, I might be slightly dumb. I don't know, bro. I'm slow. So there's a bigger chance for certain numbers. Oh, like it's not actually random. Like it... Okay. Okay, I see. So we'd want to use something different, I guess, in that case. That does make sense. Does algorithms have that? I've never actually used that for random numbers, I'll be honest. Pseudo random. Well, yeah, I was using this. I was using this method. There is a random library though. I guess we could just do that, yeah. Breaks you. What's up, Sophia? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hope you're doing good, bro. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. What's up? Not much. Almost done with this project. I'll tell you that. Ready to move on. Honestly, this will probably be the last stream of us doing this project. I don't think I mentioned that, but yeah. When I come back on Monday, I'll have a new project ready that we can start on. So hype as fuck for that. So I've been doing this shit since Halloween, bro. It's the new year. New year, new me. Feeling kind of like shit. I'm sorry to hear that. The new year. Is it winter depression? You know what's kind of crazy? I feel like I have opposite of winter depression. Like I feel fucking amazing. Just let's take an easy example where a random generator yield a number between 0 and 10. So if you with 6, for example. Yeah. I'm gonna try this random library that I just found. I've never actually used this. Oh shit. It obtains a random seed from the operating system itself. What the fuck? Is that even good? Nah, just fucking loneliness. Hey, bro. I feel you, dog. I feel you, man. I feel you. You ain't lonely in here, though. You ain't lonely in here. I'll tell you that. You ain't lonely in here. Ugh. Loneliness to me is like motivating. I don't know why. The 0 4 could be 2 cases, while 5 and 6 in just 1 cases. Interesting. I've had people warn me against using that kind of random number generation. So I feel like, yeah, there's probably a fucking reason for it. Wait, what the fuck is this shit? Huh? Hold on, gang. Hold on. I need to look more into this. I've never actually seen this before. Sunk your teenage thumb toward the trained and dark. What the fuck is this? It initializes the engine. What the fuck does that mean? I've never used this in my life. It's just math. Yeah. Math. I'm decent at math, but I'm not like naturally gifted at math, I'll be honest. I can study for math, but I'm definitely not like naturally gifted, bro. But yeah, no, I mean, I understand. I mean, we don't have to use this. For the sake of the argument, though, for right now, I'm going to try to get everything else done, and then we can kind of return to this, is what I'm thinking. But yeah, the way that I want to do this, though, is kind of where it's like this. We do... This might be kind of stupid, actually, low-key. We're having fun studying calculus and pure maths books? That's awesome. That's awesome. Hell yeah. Calculus is low-key kind of interesting, but dude, Cal 2? Holy shit. Bro. I damn near lost my mind. I mean, it's really not that hard. It's just like, I mean, you get into the fucking infinite series stuff and you're just like, holy shit, what the fuck am I doing? No, wait, this probably won't work. There's no fucking way this works. Because it's going to be the same seed, right? I feel like that's not even gonna, you know what I mean? Like, it's not even gonna, I don't know. Let me test something. Yeah, let me test something really quick. We're gonna rewrite this. Oh wait, we might want to do size t. Well, yeah, fuck it. Who cares? Size t, I equals 0. Do linear instead? It's much better to achieve some uniformity with your call. Oh, I've heard of that. What the fuck is that? I've definitely heard of that in class, I swear to God. I'm gonna look at it and be like, oh, that's what that is. Oh yeah, I have heard of this. Interesting. Let me try this new standard library thing. See if that's actually nicer. What song am I listening to right now? Oh, Nirvana. Nice. Template, type name. Holy shit. That's how you would do that? Damn, that's fucking insane. I'm gonna keep it simple right now. We're still learning. We're still learning. We're still learning. I'd like to experiment with that someday though. I'm just trying to get this shit done. You know what I mean? Well, I is less than, I mean, it'd be the party size. So less than 4, I guess. Use access ratio. Holy shit. Better to use functions instead. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stick to that right now. I'm gonna stick to that right now, Eric. But thank you though. Thank you. I've heard of linear. I can never fucking say it. Interpolation, I think. I don't know. Like literally one of my professors mentioned it one time. In like a algorithms class, I don't know. Something like that. I don't really remember. We could do imparty. Really? Is that what I just fucking said? Wait, do we have to generate a new seed every time if we do this? I forget. I feel like yes, probably. Because if we use random, obtain a random seed, do this. Why the fuck? Oh, it does this. I see. I feel like no, but kind of confused. No, it accumulates. Oh, okay, cool. So we're good. We're good. Okay. Because I'll just generate the name, or sorry, I'll generate the seed outside of, like in the main function, and it can just do that there. I think honestly. As you are, as you were, as I wanted you to be. Jeez, my game engine. I'm working in JavaScript looks like shit. It's still only day 2 though. Hell yeah, hell yeah. You're making a game engine in JavaScript? Interesting. Interesting. I mean, hey, I love JavaScript. All right, don't get me wrong. Get a global random and use that. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Oh, maybe I could do that. No, but if it's gonna be global. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't really know where to put it. I mean, I guess we could put it. No, putting in game data kind of is stupid and dumb. GL is so nice. Someone mentioned that in chat the other day. Was it you? I don't think so. Someone mentioned WebGL. But I think we were talking about Web GPU, which is like for C++ and Rust and stuff like that. I've heard of WebGL. We kind of looked at it briefly. Yeah, WebGL. I mean, honestly, that's pretty fucking sick. Like, it's a JavaScript API that renders high-performance interactive 2D and 3D graphics. That's fucking sick. Yeah, that's actually sick, bro. Keep me updated on that, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. We're gonna be playing around with graphics in my next project. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I'm still kind of coming up with ideas, but we're definitely gonna play around with some graphics, kind of get used to that stuff in my next project. So gonna start that Monday. I'm probably gonna have a fucking hard time, but it's all good. We all gotta learn, you know. Oh shit, I just full screen that. It's just really an OpenGL wrapper, but it's so much better than using OpenGL and C. Well, then that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I was considering using OpenGL for my next project, but dude, I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely not using Vulkan, I know that. No Vulkan. But, I don't know. Still deciding on what we even want to do in the first place, so I'm not gonna think about it too much. I still have another Christmas to go to. Can you guys believe that? It's already January and I have another Christmas to go to. Yeah, I mean, we would want... Hold on, let me look at this again. So we generate the seed, right? Make that global. Wait, let me ask it more specifically, like... I love this site. What site? WebGL? Okay. So we do it like this, I guess. All right, let's go and include it then. Include random. Okay. And honestly, can we just generate it like doing this? Fuck, can't post links. Shit, does it still not allow links, bro? Nightbot, what are we doing, gang? I thought I disabled that moderation. I don't know if you have me on Discord, but you can add me and send it to me there if you want. But I thought I turned that shit off. I did. This which allows you to tell me why those links. Maybe it's a YouTube thing. It's got to be a YouTube thing, right? Yeah, it's got to be. But why? Honestly, I mean, you know. Who's your Discord? It's I think it's this. I think. Pretty sure. Just do this. That gets like the seed. And then different distribution. Okay, bet. Whatever you say. So it'd be like this? Oh, wait. Request. Okay, hold on. Let me open Discord really quick so that way I can get it. Pending. There we go. All right. Okay. Yeah. So then, said to do this. What would the type be? I guess int. 0 and 19. And this, I guess, would generate it. Oh, this is for learning OpenGL. I see. I see. I'll definitely hold on to that. I appreciate it. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you indeed. Okay. Yes, that returns a number. Okay, cool. So yeah, that'll generate the needed number, I guess. Let me put this up here. Can I put this inside of it? I mean, I feel like, yeah, right? Like if I wanted to do possible names and then literally just take this and do this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. And then as for the level, I feel like we can just do just I+1 or some shit, right? That way it's like level 1, level 2, level 3. I mean, we could we could make that like kind of like a random thing, but I don't know. But create like one. Oh, okay, I got you. Got you. So put this somewhere else, I guess. Somewhere that's like accessible. Sorry. Well, I guess I could just do like I mean, we could just create like a file down here called like random or some shit. Oh right, make it static. Hold on. If you think you belong enough. Jeez. Okay, let me go back here. We need to include it, obviously, which we can just do. I guess, right? Does it not recognize it? Oh, it does. And you can create a function that returns a random number. Oh, like in the same file? Oh, like create a function in here that returns the random number itself. Right, gotcha. Yeah, no, yeah, that makes sense. That does make sense. We'll do name mingling. So you can use, oh shit. So you can use the same name in other places. Oh, interesting. Interesting. But yeah, I mean, I guess we could, yeah, it's static. You can't access it from another translation, you know. Gotcha. Okay. So I guess, yeah, we do like a function here, I guess. Random number. Let's just do like, yeah, let's just do like a minimum and a maximum. And then we could just do this. Copy this over here. This will actually be a lot easier too because, yeah. We don't have to have this mess inside of here. Okay. I think that's good. Oh yeah, return. So then I guess we could just do, yeah, random number 0, 19. And that should return a random number between 0 and 19. If you're at return and changing the numbers to the variables, yeah. Sorry, I'm just a bit slow, that's all. So we would do this. And honestly, what I'm thinking about we could do is make a header file to declare the function so you can access it. This isn't accessing it? Well, I guess, well, okay, yeah. Hold on. .h. Oh, it won't compile. Okay, I got you. Got you. That makes sense. That does indeed make sense. Just make sure it was the same name. I guess, can we, well, no, if I want to do that in CSS file. Okay. So that'll probably compile, right? And honestly, what I'm thinking about here too is we could do, well, what if it's 0 though? If it's 0, because I kind of want it to be like, yeah, fuck it. It'll already be kind of like a challenge anyways, so we just kind of keep it how it is. Yeah, I mean, that kind of does what we needed to do. Wait, I'm actually stupid though. That's actually not right. Oh yeah, because we take in the level. Yeah. We don't do that here. Right. Right. Yeah, okay. So I think this is it, yeah? Just in place back these guys, and then, yeah, that's basically it. I think so. But now, in the actual, well, we need to, are we even defining what character to make? Oh, right, yeah, we need to do like new, yes, okay, no, I'm stupid, actually. This might be kind of weird, I ain't gonna lie. Can we do like, let's see. I mean, I guess like a switch case statement, right? And we could do like a random number between 0 and 3. Wait, that's not right. I don't know why I always have to look up a switch case statement, because I never use them. Okay, no, I did that right. New warrior, and then we would construct it with this. Yeah, okay, yeah. And then basically same shit, the other guys, I think. Make sure we break it, by the way. What do you want to achieve? This is, yeah, probably, I should probably narrate what I'm trying to do. I'm basically making it where I want like the classes to be randomly generated too. Like I don't want them all just to be like enemy classes. Like I want them to be like, you know, a class of like, you know, a mage healer, and then like archer, you know, or like sometimes it'll be like a warrior, whatever, right? Just add some randomness to it, I guess. That's what I was trying to do. This is actually wrong. I mean, we could do that, but yeah, I mean, I think so. I think this is good. I think we would just remove this and do this, right? I believe so. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. And then return party, yeah, just make sure that's there. Let's see here. Okay, so now let's go back up here. Place back, create enemy party. I mean, that kind of does what we needed to do, honestly, because now it's like it's not doing that anymore. This is essentially the same thing. Like it's like, I don't know, like this is essentially all we need it to be. What's like a good boss name? Maldor, sure, that's good. Level 5 boss. Okay. And yeah, basically the enemy class shouldn't be needed anymore, so. Alright, well, let's see if this compiles. Probably not. Oh, I need a good song in my ears while I'm doing this. Fuck. Combat loop. We can get rid of that eventually. Oh, it compiled. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do a fight, print battle info. Ooh, look at that. Wait, but it doesn't. None of them have a name. Yeah, none of them have a name. It's generating random classes, which is good, but none of them have a name. That's a UB. A UB. What's a UB? What does UB stand for? What the fuck? Ah, University of Buffalo. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's what you meant. A return in a function wanting a return value will fuck up your stack. Oh, really? Shit. I want to get rid of that then. I mean, the combat loop isn't doing anything anyways, so it doesn't even need to be there, actually. Like, it doesn't even... Where is it? Oh, it's in game, yeah? Yeah, it's here. Yeah, this literally does nothing. I think, right? Wait, does it? Wait, does it? I don't think so. Let's just, oh no, wait, let's make sure. Yeah, it's literally not used anywhere. Okay. Get rid of that. Anyways, now behavior, yes, if you check its assembly. Interesting. Okay, so I mean, it's still, I mean, obviously our problem is still going to exist, but yeah, so none of them have a name. Oh, wait, what? Wait, hold on. The warriors, hold on. Are enemies constructed differently? I don't think so. There's no way. I don't think so. If we go here, const string. Wait, is it because it's not returning a const string reference? Is that really what we pass into that? We genuinely do that. I mean, oh no, wait, let's come outside of this really quick. I mean, I guess we could. I mean, how do I pass this in though? I just pass this in like as a reference of some sort. No, that's not how that fucking works. Wait, what? Wait, how do I? We've done this before. Like, I swear we've done this before. Like, I've looked at this exactly at a breakpoint and let's see what happens. Well, it's probably 100% this. It's gotta be. Well, I'm just curious if I... I just want to see if this works, and therefore I can say, oh, it's this. Okay. Oh, wait, we didn't name it anything. What the fuck? Oh, I was holding down control. Like an idiot. Wait, am I dumb? Wait, am I dumb? Oh yeah, no, I am dumb. Because it wouldn't... Bro, I actually am dumb. Like, straight up. Not that. Jesus. Holy fuck. Never used multi-click before. Or I'm still new at it. I've used it, but... Alright, yeah, no, I'm dumb. Okay. I just want to see if that works. Because if it does, then I know exactly what it is. Fuck. Okay. No, it's still fucking up. Nice. Love that. I mean, I thought it would be the same. A breakpoint? Yeah, we're gonna have to. Yeah, it's just like, I don't know. I mean, when you pass it, what do you do? And, well, it should work, because obviously it works for our characters. We do the character constructor, which just does this. String. Why does this not take it in like that? Wait, what? Pause. It's because we're passing it in like this. String, I mean, anyways, yeah, it assigns name to name or to n. So, don't really know. I'm gonna take a sip of my Gatorade and then we'll add a breakpoint. Well, I mean, why are we saving it like that? I mean, it works for the other ones. I don't see why it... Well, when we get the other ones, how do we pass that in? Hold on, wait, let me see that. Wait, where do we do that at? I forgot. You do it here, yeah? Choice. And what is name? It's a fucking string. So it was pointless to use references. Yeah, I guess so. Well, why did... Wait. Hold on. What if I just pass it in the exact same way that I did that one? No, same shit. Same fucking shit. See, I'm worried about the time where like it's just healers or some shit. It's like, would that just be like an unkillable like party? That's funny. All right. Well, I mean, I guess think about what possible names is returning. Well, no, it's just a container of strings, or you know, an array of strings. I just don't know why this doesn't work. Maybe it's something to do with the random number function? It's like it's returning nothing. And it would be very odd if it was... I mean, I don't know. Not sure, not sure. Add a breakpoint to the loop. Yes, yes, that's what we need to do. Whew, I'm fucking tired, bro. Where do we add it? Did we just add it after the switch case statement? Did we just do that? Wait, doesn't that construct at the very beginning of the game? Yeah, so we've already done that. Wait, how do you run through the breakpoint again? You gotta use like the fucking, let me see. Where's it at? Where'd it go? The debugger or whatever. Before the switch? Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, we'll add it before the switch. What? What the fuck? Why did it terminate? Segmentation fault. Is that what it is? It's gotta be. Because it constructs at the very beginning of the game, so yeah, I guess it would do that. Yeah, it's 100% that. Does it store anything at all? We went over seg faults last time, or not last time, but like before. Let's see the call stack. Main game. I guess this was inside game. Runs this, and then it tries to run this, I'm assuming. And then that's where it happens. Go up in the call stack? Like what? Like here? Wait, do we have a... No, we don't. Doesn't make any sense. Not that much. Yeah, it tries to create the game. Runs this, runs it just fine. And then it's right there, like in the main function first. Oh, like here. Well, yeah, like this is where it creates the game. Like the game object itself. Wait. What is that game data? Where at? Well, game data is... Oh, this. Yes. Yeah, game data is... So, I created an object to store global data that would be needed throughout the game. For instance, like if I look at it right now, things like a party index, arena index, I don't know, just a bunch of stuff that I did kind of more so temporarily. Where is it stored? I think game data is stored in the game. Yeah, it is. Game data, the game data is stored in the game itself. I don't know if that points to something or not. But that is where it's stored. So like that's what all of this is. I know it's like not the smartest thing to do, I guess, but I take a pointer of an object. Where is that object you take the address of? Oh, I see what you mean. This. Manager. Wait, hold on. How do we do this? Stored manager. Wait. Wait, what? Actually, I don't know. Wait. Isn't it made in main? Right? No. Wait, where is it made? We make it somewhere, don't we? Wait. Oh. Wait, I don't... I mean, hovering the object? Yeah, like the array fails, yeah, but... Shit, I can't fucking... I can hold F12. Well, I guess it's already a, Wait, I tried pressing F12, but it didn't do anything. Oh, wait. Wait, class game. It's a member. Wait, what? Oh, wait. I'm constructing the game data. Like... I think it automatically initializes when the game object is created, I think. Right? I think so. It's okay? Okay, cool. Scared me for a second. Or like that scared me for a second. Yeah, so I guess it's initialized here. And we did add like initialization. Like, or it's a struct, but we did add initialization there. So. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, Yeah, so it's whenever the array is actually constructed. So I guess it's something to do with the array itself. Wait, how are we... Yeah, don't pay attention to that. Wait, where is this array? It's an array of strings. It's 20. Right? I think. Bad with the structure initialization. Array. Oh, wait. What? I think it's... Did we add too many names? Is that what it is? I mean, I don't think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Yeah, okay. What's the issue you're having? What's up, Legendary? I am having an issue. I'm having a segmentation fault. When constructing this array of possible names, I guess. So yeah, it's whenever the array is trying to be initialized, I guess, is what the segmentation fault points to. And it's not able to construct it for some reason. These names are used for like a random function that like gets like a random name for the enemies. That's what it's used for. But right now it's just showing up as blank whenever we do that. Like if I ran the function. Oh shit. The fuck? Oh, something with up there. Huh? Don't really know. But anyways, yeah. Move that to the header when it's defined. Move it to the header? You mean like move this initialization to the header? To this? That's what you're saying? I mean, yeah, I mean, I guess we could. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Where's the constructor? It's right here. It's in the game class. Let me fucking move this over. It's bothering me. Do you mean like the constructor for... Yeah, I mean the constructor for game, that's where it happens, is the constructor for game. But you're saying that we should initialize it here, is what you're saying. What is this for? What's going on here? Tickets. I guess we don't use that. Why do we not use that? Oh, I think that was something that I'm just gonna remove that right now. Sorry. Run it? Okay, let's run it. Motherfucker. Hold on. I think I was able to run. Oh shit, it worked. How did that fix it? How was that the solution? I see a class for game and a dictionary, but I don't see where you actually assign things with params in a constructor unless I'm stupid. Assigning things with parameters? Like, you mean, are you talking about this right here, the manager? The manager is it's a member inside of the game. It uses the member from game to construct the menu manager. if that makes sense. But yeah, the constructor for game doesn't need anything like that. Okay, so that did work though. So that's awesome. I don't really understand why that worked. Like why defining it in the header file worked, but when we defined it in the C++ file, it didn't work. So your constructor chaining, I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, sorry, I'm still a student, so I don't really know the terms. I'm just fucking around and finding out, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I mean, I guess so. Is that bad? Is that not good? Glad to see it worked. Thank you, Legendary. Thank you. You override it after construction. Did I? Like the possible names? I overrid that? I don't know. Fucking works though. That's what's up. I don't even know if these fights would be harder now or not. No, it's fine. Overriding it is the point of constructor chaining. Oh, okay, cool. Sorry, I just don't know. It's a constructor, but first they're initialized. Oh, I got you. Oh, okay. No, wait. I see what you mean. Okay. Gotcha. I don't see why we couldn't override that. Or I mean, why? I don't know actually. I'm not 100% sure, but whatever. Fuck it, it works. I mean, I kind of understand why we're not overriding it anymore, but like, yeah, I don't see why we couldn't have done that. Or I don't know. Maybe we were overriding it with nothing, like it was just like just blank or some shit. I don't exactly know. I don't know, but this does work now, which is awesome. Also, we need to get rid of wait, we were in main. We need to do something different, I think. Are you calling base constructor to the initialize the values and then performing stuff? I'd assume something would have happened there that got fixed. I don't think we were performing anything on possible names after the fact. I mean, we did use it, I guess. Yeah, that's why I told him to move it there. It was first initialized with empty strings, then overridden. Oh, wait. Okay, I kind of understand what you mean. Wait, where did we have possible names at? Did we have it up here? I mean, I see what you mean. Like I see what you're saying. I definitely see what you're saying. So, but I guess I'm like, wait, where did we even have that in the first place? Because I see what you're like saying. Like, yeah, like this. Where did we have it constructed? I don't really understand why it was a problem. Operation. It's all good. I think, yeah, I think I fucked up. So strange anyway. Yeah, so one thing I need to make sure to do before we do anything at all. Well, wait, hold on. Is that all we had to do for the enemy party? I think so. Okay, so I think the next thing would be to update the boss. We just need to add new, like, more skills for the boss to use. And then from there, just honestly, we could delete the enemy class because it's not even used anymore. It was more so temporary, and then do some more cleanup. Reset the skills from the, well, we could do that probably right now, honestly. Yeah, we should probably do that right now. So we'll get rid of these guys here. I think, right? Yeah. Thank God I commented that shit out. It's just weird sometimes. I do game dev with C#, so I'm flexing my brain a little bit to understand what's going on. Damn, game dev with C#. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm glad I have some knowledgeable people in my chat. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Comment that and the same thing here. You do it for both, I believe. Yes. Okay. We really low-key don't even need enemy anymore. We don't even need this class. What are you studying? I'm studying computer science. Comp sci. I know. My job's getting taken by AI. I know. That's what everyone fucking tells me, bro. Nah, it's all good. I already have a job in tech, so I got some experience under my belt, thank God. That's usually most people or most comp sci people's like problem is they graduate but they don't have like any internships or experience. So you know, is that Snorlax I see behind you? Yes, it is. Apple. Good to see you, Apple. By the way, I should graduate myself this year. Hell yeah, congratulations. Did you graduate this last semester? Because hell yeah. Or was it spring? I still got 3 semesters left, gang. 3 semesters left and then I'm fucking out. So, whatever. We'll get there, gang. We'll get there. Yeah, I feel like we don't even need these files anymore, dude. I mean, we can keep them, I guess. I don't know. How's it going this past April? Hell yeah. Congrats, bro. That's awesome. How's it going? What are you working on now? We're honestly finishing up the project, and then we're going to move on to the next project in the next stream. The next stream, I'm going to do a whole new project. It's going to be on Monday. And we're going to probably try to do some graphic stuff. We're going to see how the fuck that goes. All right. But I really want to dive into it. I really do. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun though. So probably won't work on this project for a long time. We may like one day come back to it and like add stuff, or I don't know, just revisit it or some shit. But I don't really see us going back to this project. I'm more so just kind of putting some finishing touches on this right now and kind of cleaning it up a little bit. So we just made it where here, I'll show you Apple. I gotta show Apple. I gotta update Apple. Ooh, we should add your name to the possible names list. Hold on. So whenever an enemy party generates, it generates like random names, or like not like random names, but it generates like names from like a list of possible names, and then like for the enemies. And I can let me add Apple somewhere and get rid of Terry. There you go. Because we have like Night Owl, Plankton, Eric. Yeah, we'll do that. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay, let me show you. I want to get back into C++ for graphics. Worked with DirectX in the past and it was cool. I got a buddy who likes it a lot. Yeah, I think I'm going to start exploring OpenGL. Definitely not Vulkan. Staying away from that shit, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I think I'm going to start experimenting with OpenGL, kind of see what it's all about, you know what I mean? I've been really wanting to get into graphics for a while, but never had the courage for it. Oh shit, I did the wrong thing. Yeah, see, look. So look, the name, oh wow, thanks. I wasn't expecting the cameo in the game. I gotta include everyone, bro. I gotta include as many people, bro. The regulars gotta be in the game. You guys gotta be immortalized in the game, especially if we're all gonna split the profits when it goes up on Steam. So that we have Sean, a mage, Night Owl, a mage, Kevin, an archer, and Bob, a mage. See, things like this can happen though, where like there's way too many mages, but honestly, fuck it. Right now it's just randomized because I don't feel like making anything more sophisticated, so we're just rocking with this shit right now. But yeah, we're kind of doing that, and right now we're gonna update the boss. I think I want the boss to have like more skills, if that makes sense. Like, wait, boss does have skills, right? Yeah, I think so. And then yeah, we would do in place back, or what did we push back? What did we do for these guys? Shut up. Skills in place back. Okay, yeah. So we would do this. We love buffers and draw calls and all brain stabbing libraries with no documentation. That's my favorite. I love guessing and figuring things out. Okay. What skills do we want to give? What skills do we want to give the boss, guys? Hold on. Let's read my chicken scratch again. Wait, can I erase this? Fuck, it erases the entire thing. Okay, whatever. This says strong attack. I don't know if you can see it, but oh wait, we can just move this. Boom. 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 Okay, yeah. Which one of these skills do we want to give to the boss? I feel like Fireball makes sense. A basic heal kind of makes sense because the boss is just by themselves. Definitely not a fucking resurrect. I never work with DX directly again. Better using BTFX or... Yeah, I think maybe buff defense. Buff defense. Maybe like strong attack? No. Weaken resistance, we can do that. Maybe like war cry, some shit like that. I don't know. I mean, we can make a skill specific for the boss. That'd be kind of sick. But I don't know. I kind of want to give it like some set skills as well that it can use. I feel like these four, and then like we can make like a boss specific skill. That'd be kind of sick. Let's do that. So we'll add Fireball. Fireball Jutsu. We'll do basic heal, I think. Skills, plates back. Then we can add weaken resistance, I think is what we did, right? Weaken resist. Excuse me. Weaken resistance, and then I think buff defense. Is that what we did? Well, what did we call it? Buff defense. It's like called something weird, isn't it? I think. Strength and defense. Yeah, that's what it is. Strengthen defense. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. So we'll do this. Very nice. And then I say we make a new skill, like just one that's totally specific for this. We could do like a buff, or not buff. We could do like a damage, just a normal damage HP skill. We could do like a Hellfire. I like that. Do Hellfire. It'll like rain fire or some shit. I don't know. Okay, I need to remember what the... I hate how we have all of this, but whatever, it's fine. Is magic, we'll say true. And then is damage, true. Points, how many points do we want to do? Probably do like... I mean, I want it to be pretty hefty. Probably like... 35? 30? Yeah, 35. 35. But it's gonna cost. That might be too little. I don't know. Target type. All enemies. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I like that. Go to boss. And add that bit, you know what I'm saying? I still can't get over coding in C++ in a JavaScript style. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, I have way more experience in JavaScript, so that's why my variables look the way they do. That's why the code looks... You gotta get used to annotations. The code looks something like C++ code. Definitely, 100%. I think I'm gonna do it in my next project, because the next project's obviously gonna have C++ as well. So yeah, I remember you saying that, Eric. I'm definitely gonna do that. It's just at this point, like, we already fucked up. Like, we already started, or I already started like naming everything how I would in JavaScript. So, but yeah, sorry guys. I code in JavaScript. Java, what? I code in JavaScript probably like on the daily. So I guess I'm just like accustomed to it. I don't know. Whereas C++, I used to not really code all that much with, unless it was like for school or some shit. Oh yeah, we need to. I'm stupid. Nice, nice. Anything else than C++ professionally? Really? Yeah, I mean, like 10 years soon. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's awesome. I mean, I'd be down to code with C++ for, you know, a good majority of my career from here on, but I started doing mostly like backend stuff, like backend dev. So like a lot of Node, you know. I tried to do a little bit of full stack, like, you know, with React and whatnot, but fuck front end. I mean, I've said that many times already, but I will say it as many times as I fucking need to get my frustration out. Hate CSS. Okay. So that's added. That's good to go. What else? What am I missing? I feel like I'm 100% missing something. Can't think of what it is. I don't know. Can't think of it. I don't know. Fuck. I have no idea. I mean, we added the skills. We removed the skills from these guys. That's good. The enemies generate randomly. I feel like there's nothing really left except for just maybe like cleaning up the code at this point. Like that ass. So. Because I can't really think of much else, dude. I really can't. Let me push these changes really quick. Added enemy party generation. Wait, what's it called? I have way too many fucking branches. Enemy party, this is what it is. To be honest, I would even change his plus as a. It's like myself. I love the freedom it gives. Oh, you wait. Wouldn't? Wouldn't? I'm not sure where wouldn't supposed to be. Yeah, C++ does allow a lot of freedom, but I think it's too much power for me. Too much responsibility for me, you know what I mean? Like memory and shit, bro. Like bro. I'm pretty sure I crashed my computer one time because of a memory leak. Like that ass. Like I genuinely think that there was a stream where I crashed, wouldn't even change. Oh, okay, I got you. Oh yeah, you said, to be honest, wouldn't even change. Yeah, dude, like I deadass like crashed a stream one time because of a fucking memory leak, like I swear. So hey, like maybe like when I'm a lot better at C++, I can work with it professionally, but bro, I do not trust myself right now with C++. So fuck yeah. I mean, as far as cleaning it up, I think the only thing that would really need to be cleaned up is We don't need the enemy class anymore. And I feel like that's it. Like, we're kind of done with this entire project. Not done, but like, you know what I mean? Like, we're at a state where we can be like, okay, this is good enough. And we can move on to the next one. You know what I mean? So, I definitely think we're there. This still exists. I wouldn't look at it, though, if I were you. Causes me nightmares. Yeah, I can't really think of anything, honestly. I deadass think we're done. I mean, I can get rid of the enemy file, I guess, huh? Because enemy objects aren't even created anymore, so. Then you can join our open source thing. Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. I'd love to do that. Absolutely. Get some more experience. That's really what this streaming stuff is for, bro, so I can get some more experience. Coding in C++. Let me just run this really quick, make sure it works fine. Oh, wait. We need to change the make file. Because it's going to try to construct something called enemy, but it doesn't even exist. Constructs, very nice. Just make sure it works. Very nice, very nice. We have two, we're going against 2 healers. Hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. I thought about adding like a way to like have it where like one action happens like every second. That way you could like kind of see like, oh, Ava lost 31 HP, Apple lost 47.6 HP, you know, some shit like that. But then I was like, well, I would kind of want the messages to be a little different if I was doing it in that way. Like, I'd want it to be like, so-and-so used this, and therefore, like, this person lost this amount of HP. Like, you know what I mean? So I just decided, like, fuck it. That'll be, like, a future thing if I ever come back to this. So we'll do this. Damn. These motherfuckers targeting D. Trying to run through a battle really quickly to see if I can actually fight against these guys. I think so. I do think so. Heal yourself, D. Okay. D gained 42 HP. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let's check the battle info. Looks like Apple's pretty low. We really need to get rid of the warrior. But then again, if we get rid of... Oh, I just noticed we also have 2 apples, by the way. We have 2 enemies named Apple. Okay. Alright, Apple is falling. That's good. Yeah, see, look, we have 2... Yeah, I knew this would happen because the list is so short. Like, 20 names is a decent chunk, but it's like... It's not enough to where we're not going to have something like this. You know what I mean? So... And honestly, fuck it. Like, I don't really care. Attack Jerry, fireball on Apple, attack Apple, heal someone, I don't know. Also, how's the mana and all that kind of regenerating? It looks like it regenerates incredibly fast because no one has had any trouble with that yet. But then again, at the same time, not a lot of them have special attacks, so it's like, you know what I mean? Oh wait, yeah. Never mind. I stand corrected actually because look at that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's good. That's fine. Wait, shit. Oh, I just canceled the entire thing. Fuck. Very nice. Very nice. Not enough mana. Nice. We fuck with that. Oh, shit. What the fuck? What do you mean not enough mana? Does the attack take mana? What? It shouldn't. Does it actually? No, it doesn't. So why the fuck is it saying not enough mana? If it doesn't take mana. Hold on, wait. I know, like, what's... What? Why is it doing this? Why now? I thought I could put this project to rest. Wait. I have no idea. Where do we write that at? Write in skill, can't use. Where the fuck do we check that? We're checking can't use somewhere. Add a breakpoint, place it, instant message. Yeah, we could do that. Hold on. What? Hold on, wait. I just want to see if I can figure it out. Breakpoints are cheating. Oh, we probably use it multiple times here, yeah? Wait, where do we call it somewhere, don't we? We call it in combat, I think. Don't we? Yeah, we call it in combat. Wait, why is resource regen not... What? Wait, what the fuck? What? Wait, what? Wait, what the fuck? We added resource regen. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Use skill. Chat, what the fuck? Hold on, wait. How many branches do we have open? Yeah, we just have this. Wait, did we not add that to main? We literally merged it. Do we not do that here? Do we do it somewhere else? Maybe do it in the menu manager. Hold on. I want to find this out. We literally made a resource regen. What? What the fuck? Did I just like dream that we fucking coded that? What the hell? I guess I was just smoking something. Bro, what? Let me check the commits. Yeah, added resource regen and tested. So where the fuck is it? Wait, did we never... No, that doesn't make any fucking sense. What? Wait. Wait, if I go to... Wrong chat. If I go to main, does it exist? No, it doesn't. What the f... Oh, now it fucking exists. So we never pulled. That's what the fuck happened. Okay. Well, that's gonna be fun. Feature enemy. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's nice. So we didn't wait. I don't understand. Why would we even need to pull it? I don't. When did I create that? Oh, because whenever we came back to main, I didn't. Oh, fuck. Well, that sucks. That's gonna be fun. I mean, it shouldn't change anything. I think we can still merge it and it'll be fine, but yeah, because honestly, that's probably that's probably a part of that, isn't it? Hold on. Did I make any changes on I don't think so. Oh, I did. Okay, well, fuck you. I'll just go ahead and add this. Deleted enemy files. We'll just push that, and then I'm just gonna go to merge it, honestly. Bada bing, bada boom. And then I'm gonna have to resolve these conflicts probably. Which is fine. Okay, no conflicts, nice. We like that. We like that a lot. Okay, so now I don't know why this is having an error. It's tripping me out, but whatever it's for, hopefully it's not a big deal. Now let's test that, because I'm actually kind of curious if that solves the problem. Because I don't remember ever having that. Oh shit. What is this? Where do we use that? Oh. Oh, that might not be the only time we have that error though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's gonna come up probably multiple times. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't save it. Stupid. Yeah, I feel like we included that file quite a bit actually. Maybe. I don't know. Don't know. I still need to get rid of these. Don't let me forget, guys. Yeah, I genuinely don't think we even use this function. Like, seriously, I really don't think we do. Okay, was able to construct. Well, the thing is, I don't even know how to test that. Well, I mean, I do know how to test it, but it's kind of stupid. Like if I wanted to do fireball, and I just made it like 100. Because I'm funny. It deadass let me use fireball. What? Oh, because that's not the fucking... I'm stupid. There we go. See, this is why I need to label that a lot better. Delete, then you'll see. Oh shit, what the fuck? Okay, yeah, no, it works. Yeah, no, it works just fine. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Very good, very good. What we like to see. All right, let me reset that back. Nice. So it does work. Where do we pop that out at though? I think we do that in menu manager. I just want to make sure though before I delete that other one. Dude, this file is insane. This file is like actually like it's like a jungle looking for like a fucking needle. I don't even know where I'm looking. Like, bro, that's how you know I'm cooked. I've cooked this. I thought we did it here though. Do we use something else though? Probably. Oh wait, yeah, it does it here. Yeah. So this is where it does. Okay, so we don't even need this. We don't even need can't use. It's just pointless. It's not used anywhere. Very good to know. Very good to know. Okay, nice. I think that's it, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I seriously think that's it. I think the only thing left now is to make like a CMake file. That way people can like use it like on other OSs and shit. But like, that's pretty much it. So, yeah. Pretty fun project. Pretty fun project. Maybe I'll do maybe like in the next stream, we can like try to play through it or some shit. Before we start the new project, but honestly, bro, I'm ready to move on. I think working on a text-based RPG for 2 months, it's been fun, but it gets old pretty fast. It gets old pretty fast. So, but it was a very fun project, low-key. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. Thank you. Version 1.0. Version 1.0. Yeah, I mean, there's still probably some stuff I need to do off camera. Like, you know, just make sure that it's like compatible and stuff. That way other people can like try it and whatnot, but like, you know. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Just push to main, fuck it. It's nice watching this come together. Thank you, Apple. Thank you, I appreciate it. Next time go for a 2D and 3D version of it. Just increase dimensions each time. I like that, I like that. No, it's good to finally be done with this shit, bro. This has taken a minute, but it's been a lot of fun though. It's been a lot of fun, so I appreciate you guys for sticking around for it. Next project, we're gonna be using OpenGL. I'm pretty sure I want to do OpenGL. I mean, we're definitely not touching Vulkan, I'll tell you that shit, bro. Like, fuck no. I'm avoiding that shit like the plague. But, you know, definitely want to get into graphics, start playing around with that, but yeah, definitely had a lot of fun for this project, so very nice, very nice. And it's by no means a professionally done project. Like, it's very iffy. But honestly, bro, if you guys go back to my very first stream from Halloween, you'll see how much this game like changed. Like, you can see how much it fucking evolved, bro. Like, it's insane. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna dip out. Time for me to dip. Need to eat, practice guitar, and then tomorrow I gotta get up early. So we're gonna do that. If you guys want to say goodnight to Snorlax, you can. But otherwise, appreciate you guys sticking around in this project. It's been a lot of fun. You know what else is kind of funny? I started this project when I had long, like, hair coming down to like here. Kind of funny. But all right, take care, Apple. Have a good night. Thank you, Eric, for all your advice and all that kind of stuff. Gonna be streaming Monday, new project on Monday. Okay, I'm gonna try to write some documentation, all that kind of stuff. Thank you for saying goodnight to Snorlax. I'm gonna try to write some documentation and like kind of organize it a lot better than we did this project, because this project we just kind of like fucking dove into and just didn't even like we did not plan any of this. Like, it just, and that's why it is the mess that it is. So this hair's better. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. All right, you guys have a good night. All right, stay safe. I'll see you guys Monday. Save the date. All right, new project coming. So, all right, you have a good night.